Basic traffic metrics such as unique visitors, overall page views, session length and interval, and traffic sources can help you establish a good baseline on how a site or an app is doing. But you'll want other metrics to help you monitor the quality of the user experience. The HEART framework can help you define UX metrics that are relevant to your product. HEART is an acronym that stands for 5 broad categories. First is happiness. These metrics are often captured through surveys and measure user attitudes. They're things like satisfaction, perceived ease of use, and Net Promoter Score. Engagement is the second category. These metrics monitor user behavior, perhaps frequency, intensity, and depth, over some period of time. For example, Udacity might be interested in the number of videos watched per user per day. Instagram, on the other hand, might measure the number of photos uploaded per user per week. These types of metrics will really depend on the types of activities that your users will do. The next category is adoption. You can track the number of new users who use a product or potential feature. For instance, you might track the number of new accounts created each week, or daily usage of a feature such as bookmarking in a browser. The R is for retention. You learned about retention already, which lets you track active users from some starting time to some ending time. Finally, the last category is task success. These types of metrics are related to traditional behavior metrics, such as efficiency, time to complete a task, effectiveness, which is percent of completed tasks, and error rate. Now, you don't need to have metrics for all of these categories. Instead, you should think about which categories and their associated metrics would be most important for the entire product. You also might think about which metrics would be important for specific features of a product.